Hey folks, we're looking at the Infinity Pro hair dryer by Conair. 1875 watt unit. Let's take a look in the box and see what we got. First off, we got the actual hair dryer itself. Beautiful magenta color. We got some diffuser accessories, a diffuser and a concentrator. And of course, the manual. All pretty standard stuff. Comes wrapped up in the plastic. It's a sturdy feeling unit. Feels pretty quality. Sometimes you get them little cheapy ones that kind of feel like they're made out of paper mache. This one not so bad. This one's got a solid GFCI plug in there for safety. Using it around bathtubs and sinks, you got to be safe with that. Your diffuser feels pretty well built. It's solid plastic. And the concentrator, also really well built feeling. Doesn't feel cheap. You got your three power settings and 2 speed settings also with this unit. Here we got the concentrator in place. My wife's testing it out. She really likes this thing. We went to Vegas and saw one of these and she really had to have one. And the diffuser, they just snap in place on the end there. You don't have to twist them. And this just adds a little smoothness, I guess. I'm not a hair guy, so I don't know what a diffuser does, but it said something about being smooth in there. And it only took about 5 minutes to get her hair dry with this thing. It works pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.